Welcome back everyone, we are back with another technical analysis, and in today's video we are going to talk about LTC coin. Now, after catching this movement here, since having the fall, price has broken nicely through the 200 EMA, and now we are seeing some kind of, not even some kind of, but a pretty proper bullish trend here forming. And usually when we see this kind of bullish ladder to form here, it indicates that there is a possibility of seeing a slight movement further to the upper zones, and eventually, most probably, we are going to break down from it, which means that we are going to look for the break of this lower zone and a steep movement to the lower zones here. Now, let's take a look, maybe find a similar movement here previously on the markets happening, where the price broke the, okay, for example, this one here. So similar one, we broke the 200 EMA mark, and if we zoom in, we see that the candles are showing that a breakdown, and since then it has been forming some kind of like upward trend here. Although there was a liquidity grab, of course, it's a pretty natural moment for the coin, and eventually we fell back to lower zones and further movement to lower zones. Now, taking into consideration the movement that we just saw and the current moment, the most logical thing to do here is probably just to dollar cost the average position and go for a short position with stop loss being slightly higher than this 100 EMA mark, and the target would be somewhere here. So these kind of movements, if we would zoom out completely, so we see that we had a bullish movement, proper correction, bullish movement, proper correction. Now we are having a bullish movement, and we are not seeing any like proper correction so far. So we had some kind of liquidity movements, of course, and corrective movements, but nothing so serious. So this moment here would be a proper correction, which would again give us additional like boost for upcoming bullish momentum on the LTC coin. So let's go quickly on hourly time frame as well. Going to point out two things here. So the stop loss is above the 100 EMA mark, and of course, it is aligned with this CMA gap here as well. So we are putting this above here just in case, and we are expecting to see the price to function here slightly. So go here, form, and eventually from here just start falling once we fill the CMA gap. Of course, if we see an early movement, and let's say we go straight from here towards the breakdown, so we go fall here, go for a retest, and sellers secure the zone, then we will start an early movement to the lower zones. So there's nothing much more to talk about on the LTC coin. We expect to see a steep movement to lower zones, which would give us a nice like 20% of market price movement. And on the bigger picture, it would very nicely reset the price as well and give us a potential to go for a bullish position here, with the stop loss being the local lows. So we'll narrow it here 25%, and the take profit zone we would just go for a long-term holding. So two positions that can be taken. Let's see what is going to happen. Now we're going to wait for the breakdown to happen here. Once we get the confirmation, we're going to share it with you as well, and we're going to try and catch this 20 or 30% of market price movement. So thanks again for watching this video, and as always, see you in the next one.